really clear, huh? More stairs. Pretty good for no neutral or reverse.
Oh, you did.
Oh yeah.
Hang on.
Yeah, almost there. It's only about 5-minute walk, not very far. I see water. It looks like the moon. And we're going up there. They said go to the flag. Well, there's 2 flags. Hopefully we're going to the lower one. But I see something over here that looks like somebody's personal belongings. Whoa. Before I forget, let's talk money. Costs nothing to come here except for the boat ride. The boat ride costs 30 baht per person. No white guy charge or nothing crazy like that, like most everywhere else. 20 baht for kids, 30 baht for adults, or you can rent the boat for 100 baht and go by yourself. Which is, if you got a bunch of people, it'll be, 4 people, and it's already cheaper. So we got the boat for 100 baht, so we don't have to wait to go back. And we didn't have to wait to come here. Which I personally don't think there's a lot of people coming here. Anyway, like I said, we see one boat, that's it so far. So pretty cheap place to come. And you get to go on a boat. How cool is that? It's a pretty slow boat, but still cool. What I was looking at over there is an old sign that fell down or something. I haven't seen the waterfall yet, but I think this is the reason to come here. Kids would love this. And you think, oh, cold water, it's a waterfall, it's gonna be freezing. This is like bathtub water. And it's crystal clear. It's not very deep. It looks like it's deep over there. Really dark over there. It might just be from the rock, or it might be deeper. Now we go up. Oh, that view for you. Now there it is. Considering it's the rainy season, it's not all that spectacular, but it's still pretty cool. The waterfall itself, nothing special, but the old landscape and everything, that is very nice, I think. Somebody's umbrella is flying away. Get a look down over the cliff here. It's not that high. So. There's somebody's shoes over there. Everywhere I go, I find flip-flops. It's a little windy. See the flag on the hill? It's a little windy. Beautiful place, huh? I'm gonna take a bunch of pictures here. I'll put them in the blog post. If you're curious about that, The link will be in the video description. This is a very, very, very hard place to find. Google Maps took us, well, it was probably on the other side of this ridge where they were going. But Google Maps thought we could drive to the falls. And you can't. You got to drive to the dock and take the boat. So that is very difficult, and I don't know how I'm going to even show that on the map. I'll try. I'll see if I can find it on the map where the dock is, and put a map in the blog post. That might work. It might not. I'm not going to make any promises. Other than that, if you're using Google Maps, this is a very hard place to find. I just found it by dumb luck from a sign off the highway. It is, yeah. Google Maps has not been my friend in this province, that's for sure. That is definitely for sure. Alright guys, well that's it. Cool place. If you're in the area, you should at least make the effort to get here. Just gotta pay for the boat, everything else is free. And if you got kids, they're gonna love that pool down there, that's for sure. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching.